If you want to create the slow motion effect in CapCut like this one, you are watching the right video. Once you have the video you want to edit in CapCut, here is what you're gonna do first. Tap on the video where you want to apply the effect and then on speed. Here we have three options. The first one is normal, which will simply modify the speed of the entire video clip we selected. The second one is curve, which we will use to achieve the effect we saw in the video. So select curve. Here you have several preset effects, but we're going to create our own. Then tap on custom and tap on custom again to edit the slow motion function. If we play the video now, nothing happens. To adjust the speed, we need to move these circles that are connected by this line. If we move them above the line, the video will speed up, and if we move them below the middle line, it will slow down. I like to add an extra point, so I'm gonna move this line between these 2 points and tap on add beat to add another point. That's all you need to do. Move the point to the place on the timeline where you wanted the slow motion to start. I'll place mine here and then lower this other point here to slow down the speed. Now, with the points arranged like this, when we tap play, that cool slow motion effect is created. There is also a third option that adds effects along with zooms, but they are all paid options, except for one. If you want to learn more interesting things you can do in CapCut, tap on this playlist to keep improving your editing skills.